Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. If you are searching for a good quality inflatable paddle board set that is also sold at a convenient price, then you might want to take a look at this model. This stand-up paddle board has pretty much everything that you might need on a paddling day outboard: safety leash, collapsible aluminum paddle, hand pump, backpack, and also a waterproof bag where you can keep all your essentials like phone, keys, etc. In comparison to most inflatable stand-up paddleboards, the Rock model is also 20% lighter. This makes it highly portable and particularly convenient if you have to walk with it for quite a long distance. This stand-up paddleboard also features quite a wide design, with the purpose of improving its stability. This way, regardless of your level, there is a very low chance of you losing your balance. You may use it on lakes, rivers, and oceans without worrying that you are falling down the board. Plus, since it's made from military-grade quad-core PVC, its durability is also not an issue. Our number 2 is Serene Life Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. If you are looking for something that even beginners may easily use, then this is the best stand-up paddle board for you. With its wide design, you get improved stability while you are standing, and its security is also enhanced with its non-slip top desk. The package includes anything that you might need for a trip with your paddleboard. You get the PVC paddleboard, a foldable paddle, 3 bottom paddle fins, a safety leash, a manual pump, and a storage bag. It's the perfect set to take with you on a beach trip. Let's watch more about this paddleboard.
Enjoy the open water with a premium stand-up paddleboard from Serene Life and experience adventures like never before. Every Serene Life paddleboard comes with all of the paddling essentials, contained in a convenient storage bag. This includes a coiled ankle cuff safety leash, a 9-inch detachable board fin, and a manual air pump. Getting on the water is a breeze. Simply plug the pump into the air valve and start inflating. Once the pressure gauge on the pump reaches the green zone, you can easily detach the pump without any air escaping while you replace the cap. Attach the safety leash and the fin, and you're ready to go. The paddle easily assembles and can be extended to fit just about anyone's height. The inflatable design and wide, non-slip top deck provide improved stability and balance for kids and adults, making it easy to glide across the surface with ease. More importantly, the PVC body makes it stable while standing, but gentle enough that if you fall while learning, you won't hit a hard board on your way down. And if you ever get snagged on something tough, repairs are easy with the included kit. If you love the open water, there's nothing quite like enjoying it atop your very own paddleboard. And thanks to its portable design, you truly have the freedom to go where you please, get some fun exercise, and soak in the beauty of the nature all around you. When the day finally comes to an end, it doesn't take long to open the air valve, roll up your board, and hit the road.
Our third best inflatable stand-up paddleboard is Tower Adventure 2. If you are searching for an inflatable paddleboard that looks good while performing efficiently, then you might want to sneak a peek into this model as well. Featuring a black, gray, and white color design, it's the kind of paddleboard that you will want to show off. Since this board was made from military-grade PVC material and features a drop-stitch construction, this paddleboard was made to last. Not only will it not puncture easily, but it also won't start leaking through stitch cracks. It was also given a non-slip surface, making it the perfect choice. Let's watch more about Tower Adventure 2.
Meet the Adventure 2. It is a sequel to the Adventure 1, so it has most of the same benefits, plus some added features. At 10 foot 4 inches, it is a little longer and has more volume than the Adventure 1, so you can expect to be faster. It has 2 extra handhold straps on the front and back, making it easier for 2 people to carry. These handles are also helpful when dragging it in and out of the water. It has a cargo net already installed, which you can use to take a life jacket, backpack, fishing gear, speakers, or whatever you might need. The fin setup is the same as the Adventure 1, 2 built-in smaller side fins and a removable center fin. The Adventure 2 has the same benefits as all the other Tower inflatable SUPs. Than hardboards in general. On top of that, we have a direct-to-market business model that allows us to cut out the middleman and pass on that savings to you. We also offer shipping on all of our boards as a standard policy. If you want more information, just go on to Amazon and check out our reviews. We have the most reviews and we're the highest rated board. Alright, that wraps this up and it's about time for you to head out in the water. Start paddling. See you out there.
Number 4 in our list is Nixie ultralight stand-up paddleboard. Are you in search of a more versatile product? Then you might want to try this all-around SUP board. Its special design should allow you to roam all kinds of waters, from calm lake water to fast river water. It was made to last through any conditions, making it a highly versatile product. This paddleboard is also quite lightweight, so you can easy to carry around at any time, regardless of where you are planning to go paddleboarding. This product was also made to be durable in the long run, using a dual-layer fusion with laminated drop-stitch technology. This makes the boat resilient to any kind of harm possible, ensuring that you can use it for quite a long time. You also get a 2-year warranty. Last in our list is Sup Flex 10 inflatable stand-up paddleboard. If you are looking for something highly durable and rigid, then you can try this inflatable paddleboard. Featuring a 6-inch thickness along with a double PVC layer design, this paddleboard can withstand quite a lot of pressure. This board is very lightweight in comparison to other similar items. Plus, since it can be rolled up and added into the backpack, you may easily take it with you no matter where you are going. The set includes all the accessories that you might need, like the board, a high-pressure hand pump, a removable fin, an adjustable aluminum paddle, a coiled leash, and the backpack. Plus, you get a 2-year warranty on the materials if the product gets damaged, but also a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!